right, so here we go. You ready?
Ready.
This is 30 years that I haven't skated, okay?
Thank you so much.
So here we go. Whoa.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones, and today we're here at the Fun Warehouse, and we're gonna try our luck at skating. Located right here in Surfside Beach beside the Walmart. This is something that we hadn't done in about 30 years, so hopefully we won't break a leg. Now let's go check it out.
I gotta tell them about this. Right whenever you walk in the door, you have to sign in, and that's what a long line is for. So we're trying to find out if you can sign in before you come sometimes, but we're here at the Fun House.
With our rabbit ears.
And if you have the coupon book,
Yeah.
make sure that you do grab this. And as you can tell right here in
That's
front of
how
us,
buy get one in free.
right, buy one, get one free. And as you can tell right here,
At birthday parties.
that's right.
Ooh, an ice cream that's melting. Look.
Yes.
And there's a lot of instructions.
And you must complete a waiver for each person participating in any activities.
So they have individual activities, the power pack, and all they pass at different prices.
Right now what we're doing, I thought we were waiting in line to check in, but what we're actually doing is waiting in line to sign a waiver for everyone in your household. Just remember that you can sign the waiver online. It's very easy and simple instead of going to the little kiosk that they have outside. Now, let's take a look at the arcade area. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? So just remember, in order to drive a cart, you must be 48 inches and 7 years old. Let's go have some fun. Right, we're in here now.
We're in like Quinn now.
That's right. So now we just need to go and get our skates.
And our skates.
That's right.
Somewhere that way.
Yep. And here's where you pick up your skates to the nice lady. So you don't turn your shoes in anymore like you used to, huh?
I guess not. And these are men 7.
Okay.
She said if you bring them back if they don't fit you.
All right. Here goes nothing.
And this is what we're about to attempt, ladies and gentlemen.
And look at here, they have this cool virtual reality game. And the little PVC pipe skate helpers, those are additional $6. The birthdays are easy as 1, 2. Give you an idea on what the birthday rooms look like. Here is one. And as you can see out there, the Go-Karts are also running today as well. All right, so here we go. You ready?
Ready.
This is 30 years that I haven't skated, okay?
Thank you so much.
So here we go. Whoa.
And she's gonna fall.
I'm gonna take my horse. Oh. Woo. Hey, Becky. Oh my God. I swear. Nope.
Looks like she's got the hang of it, don't it?
Go Beatbox! Look at Beatbox, he's a pro. Here he comes. All right, he's showing off. Look.
So they have all kind of food, beers and wine, ices, much more. And Bud Light.
All right, so they gave us a smiley face.
Oh, that is cute. So they also have food, and they gave us a smiley face as a pretzel. Look at that. Isn't that cute? And yes, for those of you that don't want to ask, they do have beer and wine. So it makes it a lot easier if you do fall. So here's how the game goes. So what you do is you skate around, and you get to choose a corner. If they roll a dice and you're in the corners, this little young lady told me, then your corner gets. And here comes all our little skaters over here. Oh, they're disappearing. Yeah. And Precious is still out there. She got to move to corner 5.
Corner number 6.
Oh no, our corner 6 is already out.
Oh man! Yee! Look at Mike with the old man syndrome. Now go, Mike. You've learned now. You took your training wheels off. Go ahead. Go to the wall and back as fast as you can.
She said she got me. You see how far away she was skating from me? She said, I got you.
Well, there you have it. That was a look at the Fun Warehouse, and I'm so glad to say that we made it out with no broken bones. Right, B-Box?
That's right. Right here in Surfside Beach, South Carolina.
That is right. So I absolutely had a good time. It took me way back, but good thing it didn't take me way down.
Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach.
And next time we go skating, you better be with us. See you in the next video. And as always,
Keep beaching.
you're such.
Oh, this way.
And now look back. You ready?
Okay, go.
And remember, in order to ride the golf carts and everything, you must be 7 years old and 4.8. What is it?
48 inches. Yeah, if you were 4.8 inches, you'd be that big. 4.8 inches.
Are you scared, B-Box? You look scared.
Nervous.
All right, thank you for having fun with us at Fun Warehouse. If you need to change a freezer, please enter.